Hey guys, my name is SHASWAT and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. In this video, I'm going to tell about the cybercrime and the cyber law in India. In simpler manner, we will say that the cybercrime is an illegal act in which the PC is both a device or a goal or both. Cybercrimes can contain criminal sports which can be conventional in nature, and they include theft, forgery, defamation, mischief, and fraud, which of all are a problem to the Indian Penal Code. The abuse of computer system has additionally given delivery to a grant of recent age crimes, which can be addressed via a way of means of Information Technology Act 2000. So now crime law in India. Why crime law in India? First, my question is. Actually, the question arises firstly is why. So the answer is that when internet became developed, the founding fathers of the internet infrequently had an inclination that internet may want to rework itself into an all-pervading revolution, which can be misused for crooks sport and which required regulation and some rules. Today, there are numerous annoying and very mischievous matters taking place in the cyberspace. Due to the nameless nature of the internet, it's mildly viable to interact into leads of crook sports with impunity, and those with intelligence were grossly misusing this factor of internet to perpetuate the criminal sport in cyberspace. Hence, the want for the cyber law in India is must. Then comes the significance of the cyber law. Cyber law is a vital and it touches nearly all the factors of the transaction and sports on and regarding the internet, the World Wide Web, and the cyberspace. Initially, it is able to appear that the cyber laws is a totally technical subject and that it does not appear no longer have any bearing to the maximum sports in the cyberspace. But in real fact, it is not that anything can be similarly than the fact. Whether we realize it or not, no longer each movement and each response in cyberspace has a few criminal and cybercrime perspectives. Then a question arises is that does cyber law concern us, that is normal people and very common people? So the answer is yes, cyber law does concern us, as the character of the internet is converting and this new medium is being visible because the final medium ever developed in human history. Each interest of ours in cyberspace can and could have cyber legal perspective. From the time you sign in your domain name to the time your installation, your net site, to the time you sell your website, to the time whilst you ship and obtain emails, to the time you behave digital trade transactions at the stated site. At each factor of time, there are numerous cyber law problems involved. You might not be troubled approximately those problems nowadays due to the fact you can sense that they may have very remote. They may are very remote from you, and they do now no longer have an effect to your cyber sport. but sooner or later you may ought to tighten your seat belts and pay the attention to the cyber law to your very own benefit. Next is the advantages of the cyber laws. Firstly, from the perspective of e-commerce in India, IT Act 2000 and its provisions contain many positive aspects. Firstly, the implications of these provisions for the e-business would be that email would now be valid and legal of communication in our country that can be duly produced and approved in the court of law. Secondly, there comes that companies shall be able to carry out the electronic commerce using the legal infrastructure provided by the Act. Then digital signatures have been given legal validity and sanctions in the Act. Digital signatures like when we file a return, a DSC signature is required, which has a duration of, as I remember, 3 months. With only 3 months that it can be used. That is each month once. That is one signature can be used only thrice. The Act now allows government to issue notification on the web, thus heralding e-governance. Lastly, the Act enables the companies to file any form, application or any other document with an office, authority, body or agency owned or controlled by the appropriate government in electronic form by means of such electronic form as may prescribed by the appropriate government. That is it in the cyber laws and cybercrime. If you like, please share.